Aloha guys, we're driving over to Mahalani house, our Kaneohe house. Exciting project, fun project. Cool thing about the project is the previous owner, and you'll find this lots in Hawaii, is the owners added a bedroom. They closed in part of the garage and they enclosed the house and added a whole bedroom, which is huge when you're looking at a deal. A lot of times you'll be looking at houses and you're trying to figure out, how do I get more value of this house? Square footage is value. When you have a home with a square footage that is not recorded, we are gonna go and permit it, do it all right, of course, and once we permit it, we're adding 1,000 square foot to this home, and thus adding a lot of value to the home. We actually raised the roof on this house. So this house is now just got a bigger footprint, bigger floor plan, an extra bedroom, an extra bathroom as well. And that's how we value added this home, how we increase the value of this home by doing things legally and making it nice and beautiful. Obviously, we did a lot of other beautiful stuff. We got a beautiful backyard now. It had a shed back there and it was just really rinky-dink. So now we got a green grass. We'll have a beautiful yard, white picket. We have a white vinyl fence. I love outside stuff, so I guess I talk about that stuff sometimes too much, but I like the outside things because it helps pop the house more so sometimes than anything else. Big open kitchen on this house. So we have the open kitchen plan with the island in the middle. We 45-degree the island so that now the island is more family, entertainment friendly. So now you can sit around the island and just have a great time. Didn't have that kind of stuff before. Moved washers and dryers and hot water and just really changed the layout of the house. But as I said earlier, biggest thing is I used to walk around this house. I would have to duck walking around the house. One, that is not to code. And two, now with these higher ceilings, it's just a big open feeling. It feels bigger inside the home. It's just more enjoyable for that new homeowner. Follow me for more information too of our houses coming up, and follow me for little tricks and tips. Welcome to our beautiful Mahalani project. It's coming along great. Had a little bit of setback in the middle of the project. We got shut down because of permits. It's just a risk that we taken it, and we've been able to get past that, and now we're moving forward. We're just finally getting work done. House is coming along great. It's actually really far done. We're turning on that white fence. Here's a white fence coming in. We just turned on the old fence. Little things are really important, like this carport, drywalling this carport, covering this thing up, just makes it smooth, clean, new. We added, people before us added this bedroom here on the side, but we just finished it off and did it right and permitted it and grabbed square footage. Looks nice, so much nicer now with the big ceilings. You can't tell the difference, but this was like a little closed pantry area, just closed off. And so tore everything out, nice straight lines, opens everything up. It is tight in here. We got all the appliances here, but looking nice, looking beautiful. New support beam we did here. Big open ceilings. Beautiful, beautiful. See, we just tore out the wall and we had to leave the one support beam there. The rest of the wall was just flimsy stuff, so. What do you guys think? Check out this kitchen. We did a gray and a white, his and her. Kind of different. Different to see how it looks. I'm hoping everyone's gonna like it. We'll get a nice backsplash to tie this all in. So we'll have to find a nice backsplash to tie it all in together. with the white tops and the gray bottoms. A little different, a little bold. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully everyone likes this. So we built out this wall basically, and we still got an island to build out behind you guys. But we got the sink over here. We'll have the island to cook on out here, and it'll be a fun space to entertain. Cool. Faucet or sink? That's not the square one.
Yeah, I told you it's square one. I think yeah, the same one. I think he's doing the other one the same.
It's alright. You figured out the drawer. Okay, you changed this, yeah?
Yeah,
No?
we changed.
It's alright then.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's well fit the handle better.
Tight. Wow. Big room. Jeez. So this was Rinky Dink basically closed off before us, and we turned it into this great big master, as well as this could be your rental, you know, ohana, things like that. In Kaneohe, ohana is very important to have, so this could be an ohana unit. We do have it's a half bath over here, so we have a toilet and a sink right in here with a pocket door. Just a small little added on bonus. So this is looking really nice. Way different than what this was. I am blown away how different this looks, honestly. It looks crazy. So here's our master. The master originally was 2 different bedrooms. Not really a master, I guess, but 2 different bedrooms. So we tore down this middle wall and created this long master. And now it's a fun big master where they can really enjoy his and her closets, as well as our master bathroom. Tiled it, looks beautiful. Check out this beautiful flooring. So it actually looks really nice. I don't know if you guys are gonna get the proper lighting, but it looks nice. It's our classic bathroom. We do a white wavy with the black and we call it a silver with rock. It's pretty much on all our flips. So if you ever see this, it's our signature bathroom. And we tried a couple different new tiles here, but we really keep it nice and simple and clean. I like light colors. That way we're not too bold. And most people like it, you know, we're appealing to the older crowd, to the younger crowd. So we want to appeal to everybody. Keep it nice, simple, clean, new. So it looks nice. Looks clean, really nice.
It was supposed to be in this
Actually, the
way.
funny thing, this bathroom was actually already remodeled before we bought it. That was the one thing they did do in this house. They actually remodeled the tile. So we pulled off brand new tile to put our own custom tile down. But, you know, it's kind of the name of the game.
I know you made this. I don't know who.
Yeah.
I don't know what
That's
it is.
you design.
I said make a closet right there, but
Well, it's fine.
it's fine. I think it's fine.
I don't know how we're gonna do this closet system, but we'll do a closet system in here. I don't know what they're thinking, but backyard's looking great. I was gonna have Darren, if you're listening, I was gonna have you over here, but I was just keeping my guys busy, so we ended up my guys doing most of this yard. We tilled it, leveled it. We do a weed netting underneath our yard. You can see the weed netting, so we'll put new topsoil on top of that. Some people don't like to do it. I like to do everything. I hate when those old grass and old weeds grow through our brand new grass. So I know it costs a little bit more, it takes a little bit more time, but it's just that much better of grass for that homeowner for years to come, where he won't have to worry about weeds, and you know, now we'll have a nice, smooth, clean yard. This is gonna look so beautiful once we get this green grass over here. That green will just pop. There was a shed back here. It was really weird. So you can see the difference on this one. We did T11 siding on this house compared to the last house. So T11 is just kind of goes with Kaneohe. You can see all the houses here have it. So this is a T11 siding. It's more of a common siding. You know, in that $2 million house, we want to do a more higher end siding. So little things like that are different.
We brought this house in the 700 range, and we're rehabbing this. Should be all in at about 150 or give or take. And we'll sell this at $1 million, I think we're gonna list this as. It's a huge house, a lot of square footages, a lot of bedroom and bathrooms. So it should sell fast. It's really an ideal kind of your picturesque, perfect kind of family house. You know, the white fence, the big yard, a lot of bedrooms and bath. Have two separate kind of masters in a sense, which is always very appealing. And of course, a big family area, just, you know, opening up spaces and walls. So stay tuned, coming to market soon. Aloha.
Raise the roof.